your hair is long, it's hard to manage. Throughout the 10 years working with hair products, I've built a 4-step styling system. First up, you need a good shampoo. And by that I mean one that can take out all of the dirty and grease from your hair, and then replace it with some nice oils that is in the shampoo. Of course, a conditioner to give a smooth and easy result when you're starting out styling. The most important step, in my opinion, is the pre-styling. You apply 10 to 15 pumps here, sea salt or Sidekick. The pre-styling products, it's basically a lightweight hold, heat protection and moisturizing the hair before styling it with the hair wax. What's most important is that you can blow dry your hair with ease using this product. This will just soak better into the hair and distribute easier. So let's go apply 10 pumps. And 3 in the front. And the trick here, I can apply it like a wax. I just pump it into my hands. 2 pumps. And then do like this. And then make sure I hit the sides exactly from the front and back. Then I get a little bit more control in this area. I'm going to use the skeleton brush from Vilain. Build volume with this and texture with my hands. When I'm done blow drying, I always run cold air through it, both to feel if there's any wet spot left and also because it helps lock the hair into position. My favorite step, it's the styling. We have a mud wax here from Vilain. It's the Gold Digger wax, the original one, back from 2013. And I'm gonna scoop out a small amount. Yeah, then we're gonna apply it fast because it dries up really quick, this one. It has a lot of hold and it can get a little bit grippy if you don't get started. My hands runs through the hair easily and the wax creates a lot of texture and separation. Just what I need for this style. You have a lot of leftovers on your hands and you can use some of it to make sure the sides is sticking, but don't push too hard. You might have too much of wax on the sides, which you don't like to show. Now it's time to step number 4, which is also my favorite, seal the deal. It's applying some post-styling product, and the reason for this is to lock the hair into position. The wax itself will lock the hair, but this just gives the extra 5%. And I will apply it within a good amount. I think 30 centimeters here will do it. Put it on the sides first, and then try to get a little bit in the banks and all the way back. Look at this amazing hairstyle. I know what you're thinking. I don't need to go to the barber, but it's growing out on the sides and it starts to curl up in the back. So I like to use these 4 steps to maintain my hair throughout the waiting time. I know a lot of you have been waiting for days and months to get your hair done. So use the 4 steps and get hair like this. As always, remember to write in the comment section down below and you can take part in the secret giveaway. You just need to write what you think about this episode and also be a subscriber to the channel and like the video, and you might be picked next time. See you guys.